TRENDnet's Outdoor 2.5G PoE++ Surge Protector, model TI-OS300, engineered to safeguard your network where it matters most. Installed inline using standard Ethernet cabling, the TI-OS300 helps protect low-voltage network devices from electrical surges caused by lightning strikes, power overloads, and faulty or damaged wiring, preventing costly downtime and equipment failure. Designed for high-performance networks, it supports up to 2.5 gigabits per second speeds and delivers power for PoE++ devices up to 95 watts, making it ideal for cameras, access points, and other demanding outdoor equipment. Built for harsh environments, the Surge Protector features an IP67 rated metal enclosure, sealed Ethernet cable glands for water protection, and a detachable mounting bracket for flexible installation. With an extreme operating temperature range from -40 to 75 degrees Celsius. And delivering reliable surge protection, the TI-OS300 functions in rain, heat, or cold. TRENDnet's Outdoor 2.5G PoE++ Surge Protector, model TI-OS300.